Hi there, my name's Ruth. You can find me on Rocky Tropics Gardening on Instagram. That's the only place I am at the moment until here. But yeah, Jess from Roots from Refuge encouraged us to do a book list, or at least our own little list, for a collaboration with Roots and Refuge Farm. And thank you to Jessica and Michaela, who's sorting through all of the videos and Instagram posts, etc., recommending books that we would like to let people know have real information in them, and we've actually followed and benefited from that information, other than just relying on AI books, which are pretty scary. Anyway, first book, The Basics of Permaculture Design. Awesome book. It's about swales, all sorts of amazing things. Very much textbook, but it does have pictures. I like pictures. I'm a picture person. But yes, just the down and dirty ways of, starting an orchard, where to put your house, or, if you're already a little bit established, it's good too. I'll put the details in the information for that one. Tropical food gardening. That first one is made by someone in Perth, which is the other side of Australia to me. I'm in the far north in Queensland in Australia. This second one, Tropical Food Gardening, is made by somebody in Innisfail, which is near the coast, about an hour and a half away from where I am. Amazing pictures, really cool. It's a textbooky kind of book, but lots more pictures, colour, chocos, not all native things, not all tropical things, but if you live in the tropics, there isn't always a lot of information, especially if you're in the dry tropics like me. This is more of a wet tropics book, but most of these things will grow here as well if you're careful, or provide a bit more shade and a bit more water. But I found that one very good. It's by Yvonne Cunningham. And last but not least, we've just had a bushfire in this area. You can probably still see some smoke there. It's not a problem anymore. But this is one of the books, as well as the other two, that I packed recently in my car to get ready to run away from the bushfire. My son gave it to me, which makes it extra special. It's really thick, textbooky kind of thing, by Dick and James Strawbridge, who do self-sufficiency stuff way, way, way down in Tasmania, which is way south of me. Which is, a little bit different climate to here. But, yeah, everything from pigs to how to butcher pigs, how to do all sorts of recipes, and how to actually do the infrastructure and how to plan things out. So it's a little bit like the permaculture book. A lot of permaculture things in there as well. And I'll put the details for that one in the bottom as well. So, yeah, 2 local tropical books and the Temperate book. And our area actually is so high that it gets frosts. So we have to know the temperate stuff as well. But thanks to everybody who's contributing to this as well. I'm looking forward to seeing all your contributions. Thanks very much. See you next time.